Zena. Zena. Hey, Zena. Zena's on the other side of the gate. Bella, go get Zena. You got monster devil eyes, Zena. You got booger eyes with this flash on it, yeah. What the heck was that just went across the screen? A little orb floated down. I saw it. Went down towards my guitar.